Hi, my name is Shalin Parekh. I am the lead machine learning engineer at NView Medical. Today, we will be demonstrating our new AI-enabled vertebra identification and labeling feature. We designed this feature to allow for a quick localization of the vertebra in fast, low-dose scout images. This is a newly taken image before applying any AI on it. The software will automatically find the position of the vertebrae. It is pretty simple to use. Simply push the vertebra labeling button in the right hand side of the viewer. This is when the magic happens. The AI processes the image and predicts the location of the vertebra. While the prediction is immediate, the AI model has been trained on hundreds of different kinds of images to make it as accurate as possible. As you can see, the center of the vertebra are highlighted by yellow dots in the coronal viewport. The vertebra are identified in 3D. You can actually see their corresponding location in the sagittal viewport as well. In the sagittal viewport, they are identified with green dots. These points are integrated with the image and move as we explore the image. The surgeon always stays in control and has the ability to adjust the position of the points to account for any mistakes that the algorithm makes. This in turn feeds our AI model with data to make it learn better. In this case, the vertebra right here is not in the correct position. Just grab onto it and move it to the desired position. Yes, that's better. Once you are satisfied with the position of the points, we have the ability to label the vertebra. We just need to label one vertebra and the software automatically labels and numbers the rest. In this example, we label this vertebra. Just hold on to it and give it a name. As you can see, the algorithm correctly predicts the cervical and the thoracic vertebra in this example. In the future, everything will be automatic. But for now, we are leaving the key aspects of the labeling process to the user. Also, we envision using this as a starting point to more advanced features like automatic intraoperative measurements or for smart scrolling through the spine for better image exploration. At NView, our mission is to make surgery safer, faster, and consistently accurate. Stay tuned and please let us know what you think about this feature. We are interested in your ideas on how we can use AI to improve image viewing and decision making during surgery.